MCE a wo na esanka wo hwe sembra ye adwuma wo pese wo bypass the traffic ya ma one bypass the traffic into the ko apai ebe trip say the police need you. And I like that officer. Some officer no say or your corporal and sergeant here. Young fan unko higher rank because he's a very disciplined and well-trained police officer. These are the kind of police officers we are looking for. Very professional in his delivery, very professional in the way he like handled himself, and make sure say one must say be etio to me and kura no mananka se me etio kura mintin ko be yakata be se Nembum or Sheda accorded Papa with all the respect the man needed, he didn't think we do. This is the agitation we bring. And I thank Honorable Damboche, the president, and also the cabinet for taking a swift decision on this and making sure, say, we do not. And I thank Honorable Damboche, the president, and also the cabinet for taking a swift decision on this and making sure, say, we do not allow these things into our country. Police in here, police in here, police in here, no, they want to me so about now, who the Mrasha who and some other country and say, oh, bet transfer, no, be say, and I will deal with you, I will do this. You are threatening a peace officer. As an MCE, oh, threaten peace officer because you can say, oh, you're honorable. Honorable, my foot. Honorable when you don't know the value of your honorable. And I don't blame anyone. Me blame Ghana for na me say me they be mo Ghana for me. Me met until say me who say government I had the money and say me born a chino. Me bought government a chief for something they have not done. I blame you Ghanaians. Akufo Addo wo way or buy ye ade e bi si that will be ase. E no ka kire mo say san krofo we no na MCE for no. Said ye be ya ye benya papa wo mu ne me apɛ aye adwumenti. Moma ye nkoto o mo so aba. President Akufo Addo bake Ghana be fa ke kumo ake mandate ehami ake MCE be ke ni be minisanima elect ya alo minisanima choose ame sin kana kan power and habo ganobi bogana no ikana kan power and habo ake ya ni bodenche oya for shiki no care money ota on febo o MCE. You know the reason why? Because President Akufo Addo in his own mind got to know, say, listen, then Ninano, President Netusu MCE for we are. Omukwa ye du mebia, ye bono mebia. Because obi wa hwa, you be na be lobby. Oh, where are ye honorable, where are ye party head or ye party, you must say, oh, financial ho, you be na be lobby. Me, I recommend na eden, na se ho. And I'll say, said ye be ya, ye be just an yameni in munti. Ghana for me to me a constitution, and the mammy as Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo. Me de mawa wo for mo. Nke hanye. Now for shiki to select your own MCEs. Then you sit down and let these people they have made it their point. From 2016, after the election, when they knew they had lost, they took the bauxite, of Ghana to somebody company who is the brother. When they knew, say, they were going out of government, you remember my contract, all to burden the incoming president. Party for Tuniko meeting, Koka say, we shall make this government ungovernable. Now, and they have followed suit to it, say, that same interview, na Sami Jemfina say, Sabi, Martinamidu, or you credible na engine indeed. Then these same people and that to be a warning about them will come and spew lies to you and you don't even think a second. No afa. Now they hear propaganda. Why must it be that way? Akufo Addo, or per se, MCE for no, a year party send no mudi we are bem. Ababen and Akufo Addo Korean. To me a constitution, amano. And also the year or the Mawo Ghanaian. To me a constitution, dear man. No, so the Mawo Ghanaian say, "Ko now he say party na home be attractive for about very soon be hu de be koso." Jimmy for na ekodi na ye mpo mu bio omonko ye hi omonko to ma NDC yes rom Omwa yen Kenya na time ne beso na oh say the nim say na because minim say very na someone me ken mo market. Okay, very soon. One more na di Akufo Addo atemu almost so ye MPP for mu bu afu omu koni na they are going to start tracking back the A pluses and them said Jimmy four boys no one more be start ya back said now no more be yes or more be kasama party na ke dwuma ye ni omu be do social media ha no so one more mistake Wakatechi free fa Captain Jimmy why plus Kwame Sare so one more nim no more your imagine so one be ye U10 2022 ye choose executives here no more start ya ba be kasa dia ma party oh political zone pepe so be de keke because can we they will go back and refer them what na kadi ebe atem de die nko a just say ya momu nya asumdue na mo de atena se kra na mo de akasa madin ka say ya mama say ni na say MPP nye mama obi a wo say MPP ya didija ye boni ayefo yate maka tro obi ase na Akufo Addo wa bon wonya ade yate maguba omi ani mo ase atro obi ase wonya ade yo yate ntimu keep that same energy mo amudidi Akufo Addo ne ba omi atem 2016 until now no keep that same energy. Don't turn now to try to come and speak for the party. This time we are not playing around. 2022 is a different ball game altogether. Unlike first now, you begin abua kwasia no debut. This time, yeah, abua no kwasia. This time, no, yeah, become asem. Na onyame ya adom na ukoto uketeso. Na udu titu so yeso se wo dwene a. Obedwi no ho say kai ya kam yasem. That is what we are going to do. And you guys know I could do that very good too. And I know how to do that. Go and ask the Marie Boadus. Remember Kevin Taylor, Jaya Juma 1 week. Some okay, I'll be making an announcement say, so copy Jumano. Do you guys remember? And also Obia Refi. I still remember. Mekasa Maya made to me. They be a mechanic will say, and no more my Saturday, and I'm winning 9 years. You. I bought down for the brain in the moon. So I thought that. O dwene bibi mienu no ho se da bi aha no de abodam sem ko hwa emfa bibi a mre o man no nti ese o to ni down enti this year dia ya be kam onsam obi ti se kwa me sade say no de ono no me kura ne ti se yi ne me yam ba ati ase ne ho nsam ni na aguma ha enti ono no 2022 we na nkwaye sa kwa me plus asia kwa me plus abo ne da bi oya na ma voice note na ma kasa no. That is what we are going to do this time. That is what we are, because we have passed the days of the jam no mon come can't this time you be jam my work but okay you baby piao and the more so I am no and the attempt no mum ye count asem utitwia wote the American say ye new attempt wo ye bet count asem. Benyame ya adom na wodi wati e ka wo kete so a